I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the speed test comparison between the MI11X, which is the Snapdragon 870 chipset, versus the Dimensity 800U, which is present in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. So let's see, friends, which phone will be able to perform faster. I know it's quite a very different scenario, mid-range segment versus premium range segment, but just I want to compare both smartphone processors, so which will be able to perform better. So let me try to restart the both phones first. So let's see which phone will be able to restart faster and first. So let me try to reboot first. And meanwhile, if you are enjoying this content, don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of each and every smartphone. So in this way, I did categorized for everything, friends, Realme UI 2.0 and MI UI 12.5 as well. So all the tips and tricks you can get available in this complete playlist. So right now, as you can see, friends, both phones are booting up at the moment. So let's see which phone will be booting up first. I think the MI11X did boot up faster than this phone, as you can see, friends, clearly. So in this test, the MI11X, which has the Snapdragon 870 chipset, is slightly the winner. So let me open the applications right now. So here is the applications, friends, which I did loaded in one complete folder, as you can see here. So these are a few applications which I'm trying to open one by one. So let's see which phone will be able to perform faster and better. And both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network at the moment, so not to any other Wi-Fi. The same Wi-Fi network, as you can see, TP-Link. So let's begin the test first by opening the Facebook application. So let's see which phone will be able to open the faster the Facebook app. As you can see, friends, the MI11X did open the Facebook app faster. So just a basic comparison, friends, between the Dimensity 800U and the Snapdragon 870 chipset, so everyone will get a clear idea. So that's why I thought of comparing. As you can see, the MI11X did open the WhatsApp faster, and let me try to open the YouTube. So even the MI11X did open the YouTube faster. And next, Gaana slightly, I think the Realme Narzo 30 Pro did open first. Let me quickly close. And next, Instagram. As you can see, friends, both apps. So next, Flipkart. So MI11X did load the fastest, the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So next, Chrome. So let's see which processor will be able to open faster. As you can see, both processors are kind of same at the moment. Now the speed test application. Speed test, as you can see, the Dimensity 800U processor did show the faster the server as well when you compare with this normal Snapdragon 870 chipset. So now let me close. Let me open the Play Store. So let's see which phone will be open. I think both did open at same time. So now it's time to test the games. So which is a Minecraft game. So let's see, friends, which will be opening fast. So let's see, even I think the Dimensity 800U, I'm really shocked. The Dimensity 800U did open faster the Minecraft game. That's good. So next is S4. So there's another game. So let's see, friends, which phone will be able to show faster. I think this Snapdragon 870 chipset did open faster. So now let's move to the another game, which is a Free Fire game. So which is quite a big game. So let's see. So which phone will be able to open the Free Fire game faster and show the image. I think first in the Snapdragon 870 chipset, it has come here, and then in the Dimensity 800U processor, you can see as you can see. So right now, first here, and second in this Dimensity 800U processor in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro. And let me try to close everything. So let me try to go to the home screen and select the next application, next game. So next game is the final game, which is the Gateway 2. So let me need to open. So this game actually takes some time to open, friends. So let's see which phone will be able to. I think the Snapdragon 870 did open faster this kind of game, as you can see, friends, clearly. And now the Dimensity 800U. So now let's continue the test starting from the beginning. So let's see which phone has a better kind of RAM management. So we'll get to know what are the applications are in the background and what applications are getting reloaded again. So that is the most important thing when you're trying to do the multitasking. So that is a test right now. So in this test of opening applications faster, the Snapdragon 870 is slightly the winner. So next, as you can see, friends, the MI11X, this Snapdragon 870 chipset, it directly opened the Facebook without any kind of interruption. That is one thing to consider. So next, WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, both phones did open fast. YouTube, as you can see friends, same home page. So same image and same videos are there in the YouTube. So it did not get reloaded in this Snapdragon 870. So that's another good sign. Ghana, as you can see, same hats are coming here. I think both phones are in the same state. And Insta, I think both are same, Insta as well. And Flipkart, as you can see friends, same, nothing got reloaded in the Flipkart. And browser as well, so no change in the browser. So next, speed test. This speed test result, as you can see friends, it has been completed successfully, even though I closed the application as well in the background, but this phone did not complete the test. You can clearly see the results. So next is a Play Store. So there is nothing got changed in the Play Store. Next is the Minecraft. So Minecraft, both are reloading, but this time the Snapdragon 870 booted up faster the game. That is the one thing to see. So let me try to go back to the AS Force. So both are in the memory, AS Force and in the Snapdragon 870 as well. And next is the Free Fire. I think both are in the same Free Fire. So next is the final game, which is the Gateway 2. As you can see friends, so even the Dimensity 800U is also quite good and interesting when you compare even with the premium end smartphones. So I know it's not a fair comparison, but I just want to see how much the Dimensity 800U will be different from this Snapdragon 870 chipset. So in case if you're interested in this kind of speed test comparison, so do let me in the comments below friends. So definitely I'll have some plans to do with the Dimensity 1000 Plus as well. So Dimensity 1000 Plus versus Dimensity 800U, I'll try to plan a speed test between these two Dimensity processors, so then we might be able to see any kind of difference is there or not actually. So thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more videos. And also if you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe and bell icon. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.